Hi guys, welcome back to my another episode of illustration series. So in today's episode we are going to see that how I was inspired by watching the famous Netflix series Bridgerton, and I decided to draw the beautiful era that they used in their series to depict beautiful clothing and outline. So I'll be drawing the outfits inspired from the series. I wish that all the viewers must have watched the series Bridgerton, and you guys will like my video. Also, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel for such amazing video alerts, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that whenever I post new video, you may get a notification earlier and you can just draw whatever you want and just get inspired. Okay, let's begin with the illustration tutorial. So here, as you can see, I am drawing a dress which has a bustier top, or you can say that it has a corset. Okay, so I have made a bell sleeves attached to the corset top. So the corset top, as you know, that I would like to tell you that corsets used to be worn in early fashion era before the World War. So people used to just fit into their shapes, and they used to wear corsets to make them look very thin, or you can say very stylish, as it was the style icon that was used in that century. So corsets make them look more beautiful, more thinner. So this was the most commonly worn attire, or you can say the common word outfit that was used during the world wars or before the World War century. Okay, so I've drawn some beautiful headgear. Oh, these types of decorations, they used to call them as headgears. So they used to accessorize each and everything they were going to wear, especially from the top to the head and bottom. Also, they used to embellish their full gown. So that was a very beautiful and attractive era where people used to decorate their clothes with lots of laces, trims, accessorize them a lot. Okay, so as you can see, I've given a baseline where I'll be drawing my three of the figures over that. They would be leaning over there. The first one, as you can see, that she is just keeping her hand poisely, and she is wearing a long gown with a corset and one side fitting, as you can see. So it will be having some ruffles and trims. Okay, so as you can see, it has lots of frills and ruffles below. Yes, so you can draw as when you like. If you want to show the ruffles and frills and in another different type of manner, you can draw that. Okay, make sure your corset looks proper in the way that the girl is wearing corset only. Okay, so our first figure is completed by now. Now next, I'm going to draw another figure over that line only. Imagine that line, that it is a kind of a boundary or a wall that our figures are going to stand. This will give you idea of how you can draw different kind of postures while you do your sketching for your illustration books. Okay, so this was just a random way of me sketching. I tried to do something very random, that I just given my structures a base and I'll be doing three different types of poses over that only. Okay, so please guys, please learn from this. I hope that you guys like my video today, And if you haven't subscribed to it, please go and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for giving me 400 subscribers till now, and we would wish that we'll get more and more through my channel. And please do comment also if if you are inspired by these videos, and if you want to see more of videos like these, or the content I have already shared over to the channel and earlier, or you are like inspired by the Bridgerton series, so you want to see more of old-fashioned era of world fashion, so I'll do more of it. Okay, so now moving on to the illustrations. You can see I have drawn a beautiful hat adorned with lots of flowers and jewelries and accessories. Also, she has beautiful curly hairs. So now I'll be drawing the body, or you can say her upper torso. Okay, upper torso is the word or a term used in fashion designing. While I think most of you guys know this, but those who ever are new to my channel, I would like to tell you that please guys watch my full videos, and then you will learn the all kinds of vocabularies and what kind of terms I use to define my clothing and my outfit and during my illustration series. So here I am drawing a sweetheart neckline. Okay, sweetheart neckline is like a neckline which has a heart shaped and it has a collar to it. Okay, now I have also drawn a corset also to it. Now this lady which I am drawing, she is wearing a full-blown skirt, and you can see the first one, she was having a tall and a long and a leaner skirt, and she is having a full skirt. Okay, now just a rough sketch, as you know. So I'm not doing the footwear thing, I'm just giving you a gist that it is just an inspiration I'm drawing. Now the next and the third figure I'm drawing, that this girl will be sitting on the line I've drawn. As you can see, it's my imaginary boundary or a wall, you can say. So I'll be making her sit on that. So I hope you guys like this kind of my something new, as I tried to experiment with giving myself a challenge to draw 3 figures over a single line I've drawn. So you can also try such kind of different illustrations. Okay, so please practice, keep practicing, keep learning to my channel, and please do comment also that if you like what I did today, and if you want more such kind of challenging videos of giving a challenge by drawing through a line or a color or something like this. Okay, I really love the series on Netflix, so I really enjoyed watching it. So do I'm enjoying drawing it. I hope you guys liked it too. And this series is full of depicting the old fashion culture that girls used to wear, kind of costumes and outfits during the parties, during their daily attire. So I would recommend you all to please watch and get inspired. Also, the series I remember which has the princess of United Kingdom, I think, the queen. So that is also very good and inspiring, and I watch these series just to get inspired by their outfits or their presentation. I really love to draw them in my illustration book. So as you can see, this has the thing has come out. This lady is sitting over that base which I have drawn, and she has her bag holded towards the line, and she is just to a side pose. You can see she is not facing the front. Other two were facing the front, and she is doing a side pose. She's also wearing a corset which has crisscross over the back. Okay, so please work on your details are very important. So now the full figure has come out, that she is sitting and her gown is flowing down. Okay, now just giving a finishing touch to everything I've drawn here. So just do everything, you do the outlining thing. As you can see, I've drawn these rough structures. You can also do for your practice, and please share if you really like my today's video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thank you.